somewhere inside of you, you are afraid to have, because you ask and it is given. So a lot of times we're finding out that people are asking for a way of life, they're asking for a lifestyle. And I'm going to target on this today because this is where the coaching calls have gone for the past few weeks. Is more people are asking, and they know it is given and it is in their vortex and it is waiting for them to get into alignment with it. But what we're finding out is a lot of times, and maybe you can relate to this, is people are asking for something. They're asking for things. They're asking for a way of life. They're asking for different things that they are afraid of what's going to happen if they get it. So, is this you in any shape or form? So, are you asking, asking for something? It doesn't matter what it is, whatever it is you're doing, that you are afraid. And I'm going to elaborate on this a little bit more. You are afraid to have. And this is really serious. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail on this. Hold on a second. It's me typing. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to put that in there so you guys would have that. Oh, and that's just supposed to be afraid. And that was me misspelling, not the computer. Afraid to have. There we go. Okay. A lot of times, and we're finding this, like I said, even more so in the past few weeks, over a couple months now. I've been finding this to be a case scenario of a lot of people are saying, I know I have to get a lifestyle. I know I don't like what I have right now. And one thing I'm going to back you up and hold you right there is, if you are not happy with where you're at now, if you're not happy in your environment, if you're not happy and you have made no oh energy, no momentum to change any of it, then your best bet is to be grateful for what you have right now. Be grateful for where you're at. Be great, even if it's not your ideal place. Be grateful. And when you can add that into your mix of what you're thinking, doing, and having, then you're going to find that what you may be afraid to have will be less prominent, because you're going to be in a state of giving, a state of love, a state of gratitude. And that there's no room for negative when you're in that state. And that is a state that is really powerful. So, things are always moving. Things in our world are always moving. We are always moving. The things around us are always moving. Even if we don't see them, the energy is always moving. And it's always moving fast. And it's always moving around us, through us, to us. It's always there, because we live in a world of vibration. We live in a vibrational world, to where when you get in sync with the vibration of what it is you are trying to manifest or that you want, you're going to find it's going to come easy and it's going to be more instantaneous than it is with the long drawn out path that most of us take. So, but your dreams and your visions of what you will have to do are in motion. So you have a dream, you have a vision of what that is going to entail, and you have a dream and a vision of how you're going to feel and how you feel in that dream. So feel that, live it, love it, and embrace it, because that is an energy, that is a motivation, and that is what is waiting to manifest for you when you embrace it and you quit being afraid to have it. So look at the steps you're taking in life. When you know what you want, and you know basically that you don't have to have all the answers, The universe will give you what you need. You don't have to have it written out in every little step that's going to take. You just have to know where your end result is going to be. What do you want to do? Where do you want to be? Who do you want to be with? What kind of a person are you? Are you happy? Are you healthy? Are you happy? What are you? Who are you? Look at those different aspects of yourself as you're going through this checklist here for you. So, and are your goals moving you forward to receive? Or do you write your goals and do you have the motivation and do you have the thought and the feeling? I'm looking for the right words there to keep pushing you forward, or are your goals keeping you in a state of lack? Because sometimes what happens, and this does not happen to everybody, and if it's happening to you, then you know what? That's okay. You're not alone. There's other of us out there. So if your goals that you have set for yourself are keeping you in lack by thinking, maybe you're thinking, okay, I don't have this. I've said it was a goal. I missed my deadline. I don't have it now. Now what do I do? Now I failed. Now it's this, blah, 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 blah. So if you're in that mindset of turning your goals into a lack field, then turn it around. You don't have to reset your goal. Reset the vibration around your goal. Whatever your goal is. And a lot of people, like I said, I've been talking to they're trying to build another income stream rather than going to the job. And you know what? One thing I'm going to tell you is this came up yesterday actually, is several people were saying in a group coaching was there's not enough out there for everyone, so how can I get my peace? Let me clarify that for you right now. There is more than enough for everyone. There is more than enough of everything in the world that you could ever want or need to make you happy and to make you secure and to make you content in your life. There's more than enough. So don't ever think that you have to push someone else aside for you to get ahead. No, you don't have to do that. You just have to know that what you want and what you need is there for you. And there's enough for everybody. Everybody has their piece of the pie. So it doesn't matter if it's a big piece, a little piece, or how many pieces. How many pieces? Maybe you got a little piece, but you can go back for seconds or thirds. And your piece is going to get bigger, right? Think about it. This is right. This is fact. Okay, so when you do that instead and you start creating a long-term goal, create a goal however long you need it to be, and keep on that path. Keep working it, keep doing it, and say to yourself, I will have the results from my goals when they are done. When you finish your goal, when you reach the end, excuse me, thank you. Oh, thank you. Sorry. So when you get to that point and you say, when I'm done, when this goal is finished, when I have reached fruition for this goal, it will manifest. It will be there for me, and it will be the work I've put in. It will be the vibration that I've attracted because you are vibration. It will be what I envision it being because every vision you have is a power. When you can envision yourself seeing something, when you can envision yourself being someone, maybe you want to talk on stage. If you see yourself speaking on stage, if you see yourself talking to a lot of people, see it, believe it, feel it. It's okay if you get nervous. It's okay if you get jittery getting out there. It's okay because you know what? It will never pass. I won't tell you that because every time you get on stage, it's going to have a jitter. It's going to be something. Oh, what am I going to do this time? Am I going to fail? Am I going to mess up my script? Or, you know what? It doesn't matter because nobody knows if you messed up your script anyway because they don't have any idea what your script is. So, yeah, you are in control and you are always in control. So when you're doing that and you're looking at your goals and you're looking at everything else and you're asking yourself, am I afraid of what I want? Am I afraid of what it's going to do for my family? Is it going to turn them bad? Am I afraid I'm going to lose all my friends because I'm going to be wealthy? Am I afraid I'm not going to make it and everybody's going to laugh at me? Who cares? It doesn't matter. It does not matter. So, but when you're saying that, instead of staying in the lack field of not creating your goals, not meeting the goals deadline, not taking the steps, if you have a goal to be who you want to be, if you have a goal that is going to take you to the next level that you want to go to, and like I said, this has come across in the last few months of different coachings and different calls of a lot of people are in this pandemic that we're in right now. This is passing. It's a bunch of hooey, and that's all I'm going to say about it. So there's enough for everyone. You can have the life you want. It's up to you to start it. It's up to you to do it. It's up to you to put yourself in motion to make it happen. And don't chase the money. If you're constantly chasing the money, it's going to run away from you so fast, you'll never get it because it'll just keep running. It's a fact. It's a scientific fact. Okay, so if you're looking for the training, if you're looking for what you need to do, and like I said, this has been a big thing here in the past few weeks of more people are saying, I need to get into something. I need training. I need to learn how to do this. I don't know marketing online. I don't know how to do this. I need somebody to help me. Then you're in the right place at the right time. And that's going to happen. You're going to come in the right place at the right time where the right person's going to have the offer for you, the gift for you, or the opportunity for you to get into. And I just want to say, if you go into an opportunity and they're asking you to sell to your closest friends and family, don't do it. That is not marketing. That is not marketing, and that will not benefit you. You need to know true marketing on how you can do this and how it works. So I do have a training for you, and it's, you know what, guys, this is such a bombshell. I don't even have the time to tell you every single thing about this because it is amazing. All I want to say is it's here for you. It is intense. It's live. It's Q&A. It's membership. It's everything in one place. And now that was a little pitch. That's because so many people are looking and searching. And I don't want to see anyone out there get left out because they think they can't do this, or they think they can't afford this, or they think this won't work for them. This is an offer that will work for everyone that wants it to. It's there. It will work. Okay, guys, I will chat with you again later. Again, that link is in the description over here. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And grow and prosper and be the best you can be forever and always. Okay? Always and forever. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. And thank you so much for joining us here today. Have a super great day.